Hey everyone, this will just be a very quick unboxing here of the Motorola Razr Plus 2023. This is a 256 gigabyte version, but this is, more importantly than that, is an unbox from Best Buy. So hopefully it will be in great shape. It is supposed to be in excellent shape, as we see there. So taking off that. So I paid just about 610 bucks after taxes and whatnot from Best Buy, which is pretty good. So I believe these are normally about $1,000. Currently, I believe they are on sale though for about 800 or so. So of course, here is the phone itself. All right, then we have some paperwork, which is supposed to be the SIM card ejector. It's supposed to be right there, but that is missing, unless it's in the rest of this, which it could be. And I have a few of those things lying around, so it doesn't, not the biggest deal. But let's see. Nothing. Looks like unused USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. There's our SIM card ejector, so that's good. And then there is cardboard. So some Motorola phones give you an actual charging brick. This one does not. I believe like the Razr or the Edge Plus do. This Edge Plus, I believe. Let me unwrap this. Then two, quick thing to note, do not remove pre-installed screen protector. That of course is to help protect the screen. So this is, definitely has some fingerprints on it. As you guys can see there, definitely has a bunch of fingerprints on it. That's not the worst thing. Take a look around here. This color is hard to see on the camera, I am sorry. See there's SIM card right there. Your USB Type-C, a mic there. We have speaker, looks to be a power button, and then volume rocker, and maybe another mic. Maybe another mic up top. And then there's a bunch of fingerprints all over this thing. They didn't like wipe it off, which is kind of surprising. And then, but overall though, the phone looks good. I don't really see any scratching or anything like that, so that's good. It's nice and glossy. This is very cold. It's like 12 degrees outside. And it took them all day to get to me. It was shipped. I was out about 10 a.m. this morning. Didn't arrive till about 7 p.m. So that feels pretty good. And of course it is pretty chunky when it is folded up, but overall pretty small, I would say. So yeah, stay tuned to my channel. We'll be doing some speed tests and some other videos on this guy. Let's see how I like it. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one.